Meghalaya government sought the views and opinions of the 3 district councils to enable the government to come up with an office memorandum that would cover the issue of ST certificate all over the state. The decision was taken during a meeting yesterday in the context of the issue of ST and relevance thereby to the Lineage Act passed by the KHADC. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that the meeting felt the need to have uniformity in its approach to the subject of issuance of ST and land certificate that should be broad-based.
Today's meeting convened at the level of Deputy CM in charge, DCA, was held because we felt the need to have uniformity in our approach to the subject of issuance of ST, tribe certificate, land certificate. That should be broad-based and to include the entire state of Meghalaya.